but the other one's right in the seat. Yeah, fun. Around in a circle and fly. Almost got it.
Oh, it's broken.
What?
The swings are broken.
I've never been on a rocket ship before, have you? I think we're gonna blast off.
For your mom then and Brady
sort
to
of
walk
magic.
this way. You literally get on every ride.
Welcome aboard, Flyboys and Sky Gals. Now for a safe flight. Remain seated with your safety belt fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the rocket machine. And for Pete's sake, watch your children, please.
Esta es la torre de control. Bienvenidos a bordo. Las condiciones son favorables para un vuelo seguro. Favor de permanecer sentados con su cinturón de seguridad ajustado y las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro de la nave.
Safe flight. Remain seated with your safety belt fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the rocket machine. And for Pete's sake, watch your children, please.
Esta es la torre de control. Bienvenidos a bordo. Las condiciones son favorables para un vuelo seguro. Favor de permanecer sentados con su cinturón de seguridad ajustado y las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro de la nave. Oh, por favor, vigilen a sus líneas. Golden Zephyr autorizado para despegar.
Golden Zephyr. Have a real humdinger of a flight.
Did it feel that way to you? Not really? I liked it. Kind of at the end. Yeah.
Welcome back, flyers. Please remain seated using both passengers to the back next to both passengers. Please stop the motion to receive and exit. Please by the join us in chamber room, one per seatbelt, no absent. Long distance dispersed away from the entrance. Your rocket still in motion. Please remain seated until the both passengers please stop. The seatbelt fastened. I'll just move to safe exit.